Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Shopify Liquid for custom UI sections, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register custom UI sections in Shopify Liquid, start by accessing your Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to the online store section from the left side menu. Click on the themes option. Locate the theme you want to edit and select actions. From the drop-down, choose Edit Code. In the code editor, locate the sections folder on the left. Click on the Add a New Section button. Name your new section file using lowercase letters and hyphens, for example, Custom Section. Click Create Section to open the new file. In the new section file, start by defining the section schema. Begin with the liquid tag for the section, %schema%. Define the settings for your section using JSON format. Add properties like name, settings, and presets. For example, include a name property to specify the section's display name. Next, add the necessary liquid code to render your custom UI elements. Utilize the liquid objects and filters to pull in relevant data. For each setting you define in the schema, create corresponding liquid code to output the data. Once you have set up the UI, scroll down and close the schema tag with %and schema%. Save your changes by clicking the Save button at the top right. Now, navigate back to the online store section in the admin dashboard. Select the Customize option for the theme you are working on. In the theme editor, locate the section where you want to add your custom section. Click on Add Section and find your newly created section in the list. Select your section and customize it as per your requirements. After finalizing the layout, click Save to publish your changes. Your custom UI section is now ready to use in your Shopify store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.